How to update your Google Pixel 7, 8, 9 or 10 to the latest version. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then we're going to tap on the settings icon down here. Next, scroll down and tap on System. In here, we then scroll down and tap on Software Updates. Then tap on System Update. Now, if you haven't started the update yet, there will be a button at the bottom here which will allow you to update. Or if it is in a pause mode, you can tap on the resume button to resume the download. Okay, so once it is downloading, it will proceed ahead to update your Android to the latest version. And that's it. So that's how you can update your Google Pixel 7, 8, 9 or 10 to the latest Android version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.